Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to pay for Netflix with JazzCash. Now when you're signing up, you can come and click on next. So they'll ask you to choose your plan. So let's say you pick this one, click on next, and here you need to choose how to pay. So you come click here, and depending on your country, they'll give you multiple options. And with JazzCash, the only option is if you have a JazzCash card, so you'll pay with the MasterCard. So let me show you. This is what a JazzCash card looks like. So this is a MasterCard. You just need to enter your card number, expiration date. The CVV code will be on the back of the card. Okay. And just put in the name of the card. Click here on agree and you can start your membership. Okay. Just keep in mind you can only pay if you have this debit card. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.